Hi there, John Farahmand from Balanced Physical Therapy. Do you like movies? I love movies. And the movie I want to talk to you about is an old Steven Seagal movie called Hard to Kill. Why am I bringing that up? It's not about the movie, it's about you. One of the questions we get asked so often here in the clinic is, what exercise should I do for longevity? What exercise is going to help me live longer, etc., etc. And it's really simple, everyone. Really, really simple. Muscle mass is the single largest predictor of longevity, of lifespan. Your muscle is a very powerful metabolic organ, and the more muscle mass you keep on your body, the lower your all-cause mortality will be, meaning you're harder to kill by any means, by any reason, by an infection, by a car accident, by a fall down a flight of stairs, by anything. So, in a nutshell, just get your butt to the gym, lift a few heavy things, eat a nutrient-dense, high-protein diet, get some sleep, drink tons of water. That's it. It's not rocket science. And all of the gurus out there would have you believe that it's complicated because they want to take your money, right? It's not. It's really that simple. Get to the gym, lift some heavy things, and eat a high protein, nutrient-dense diet and get some sleep, okay? If you need some help, sure, seek out a professional. But if you just want to get started, just start there. It's really that easy. Thanks so much for listening.